Batteries or hydrogen? What's going to power our future? Everyone's talking about EVs, but the big question is, will hydrogen replace batteries? Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. On one side, we've got batteries dominating the EV world thanks to Tesla, BYD, Hyundai, and more. On the other, hydrogen fuel cells promising lightning-fast refueling and zero emissions. But which one really wins? Batteries are leading right now. They're cheaper, the charging network is growing fast, and technology keeps improving with longer ranges and faster charging speeds. Most EVs you see today are battery-powered, for a good reason. But hydrogen isn't out of the race. It has some huge advantages. Refueling takes just a few minutes, compared to hours of charging. Hydrogen cars also work better for heavy-duty trucks, buses, and industries that need longer range and less downtime. The challenge? Infrastructure. Hydrogen stations are rare and costly. Producing green hydrogen is still expensive, and storing it safely isn't easy. Meanwhile, batteries are already mass-produced, making them more practical for everyday drivers. So will hydrogen replace batteries? Not anytime soon. But hydrogen could play a key role in heavy transport and industries, while batteries continue to dominate personal cars. The future isn't about one or the other, it's about finding the right mix. What do you think, hydrogen or batteries? Drop your answer in the comments.